Hi, meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this Wednesday afternoon at about 3:30, and we're in a Pinpoint weather alert. This is specifically, though, for actually later tomorrow night, early Friday morning. And here's the breakdown. A high wind watch and a high wind warning. First of all locations very windy, strong wind gusts late Thursday night, Friday morning. The wind warning, the high wind warning for the areas in red, essentially south and east of Providence and along the coastline and the Cape. And then to the north of that, it'll be windy, but it's a high wind watch. So what does this all mean as far as wind gust potential? Keep in mind, this is late Thursday night, early Friday morning. The areas in darker red, you've got the potential for wind gusts of 55 to 65 miles per hour, and further inland, gusts between 40 and 55. And of course, wind speeds of that magnitude, at least in gusts, there is the risk of some scattered power outages and issues with branches and power lines and things like that. And note the arrows. These are strong winds from the southwest. It's going to transport very mild, almost spring-like air Thursday and into Friday. So here's the breakdown as far as what to expect. It's like a springtime storm, but by no means are we talking ice or snow. Strong wind gusts, and for a time, some brief heavy rain. Gusts in that 50 to 65 mile an hour range. Rainfall up to about an inch, and the risk is there. I don't think it's widespread, but certainly scattered power outages are possible. In fact, this is what the Doppler radar will look like at Friday morning at 7 a.m. Look at these little strips of darker red and orange and yellow. These are very heavy downpours and some strong wind. Now, this is around 7 a.m. Friday. So this will be an issue, at least for the early portion of the morning commute on Friday. Poor visibility, strong wind. So our threat tracker tonight, and even through the daylight hours of Thursday, is low. And then we bump it up late Thursday night into Friday morning for the reasons we just pointed out. In the meantime, this is Newport. As of 3:30, the clouds have rolled in. And while it was a milder day today, by no means did it feel warm. We topped out in the upper 30s to around 40. But now that the clouds have taken over and there's a bit of a breeze out there, it does feel cool. I mean, you still need a jacket. I wouldn't call it a warm day, but at least it was better than yesterday's 25-degree temperature. Here's where we stand right now at the 3 o'clock hour, upper 30s to low 40s. So here's the breakdown for tonight. No weather issues, and what you notice here, temperatures are well above freezing. They stay in the 40s, so we're breezy and mild and mostly cloudy. And really not too many issues as far as very strong wind or rain on Thursday. Thursday morning, it's already at 43 at 7 a.m., 53 by 11 o'clock in the morning. Southwest winds, those wind speeds that we're showing right over here, those aren't wind gusts, but rather sustained winds. And looking at sustained winds of about 10 to 20 miles per hour, partly to mostly cloudy, breezy, very mild in the afternoon with temperatures in the middle to upper 50s. And then we bring in some of the stronger wind and some of the heavier rain late Thursday night and into the early morning hours of Friday.